father-son bonding moment.
This is my blanket. What are you doing? Yeah, go back over there.
They're gonna knee together. Hi, Dad. Are you adorable? Yeah. I'm just gonna knee.
Yeah, you like when I come to your area. Yeah, it's not very fun, is it? No.
Mike. Let him knead. You're being me. Uh-oh. Something's happening. Oh my goodness, look at the snowbank. This is way past my boots. Oh my gosh, look at the little... We haven't gotten this much snow in like over a couple of years. In a couple of years.
You have to move your van. Your
What?
dad's not here.
Damn it! I'll park next to my brother after I put my stuff in. Hi, Katie. Well, oh boy. Hi. Miss Boney. No, pretty. So we're going well. Note to self: never do workouts in the morning or early evening-ish. Just keep doing them around 5 or 6 in the evening. Because for some reason I have more energy during them.
Move your purse.
In the other room, why? Can you bring me one?
No, I said can you move?
I don't know. Who?
I didn't say you, dick.
He just randomly speaks. I ended up twisting my ankle on the warm-up of my favorite workout, the cardio circuit. My mom thought I was faking. I had my mom try the warm-up with me. She's kind of funny. But not funny how she thought I was faking. I really did roll my ankle. But I kept going. I don't think I'm used to this rug. Plus I like doing my workout in like bare feet. And I'm used to my yoga mat and this rug when I do. It's harder for my feet to grip on. Especially, oh, that was a red cardinal. Oh, I love red cardinals. But, and it's starting to snow a little bit. Just small flakes, nothing too fancy. Don't fly away, don't fly away, don't fly away. Don't fly away, don't fly away. I don't know if I can get you one here, birdie. Oh no, I'm blinking. I didn't know my battery's gonna do this to me today. There it is. You see it? Don't die on me. Look how pretty it looks. Aww. How close can we get? Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh, that's that one right there. Oh, dang it. It heard me. Come to this one. It's already snowing!
95.7.
It shall be fun.
WCID.
Oh, he's riding on my car. Jerk. Here's my loves. Hi. Hi. Are you beautiful? You're a beautiful babe. Huh, Jiggy Pants? Yeah. I love you guys. Oh, please don't play with the string. That's not your string. Oh, look at that face. Oh, Ted. I love you. Woo! Woo! You're so fluffy. So we're back home. I'm exhausted. I'm definitely sleeping in tomorrow. Yep, that's for sure. And
Well, you know, if you
it's a lot of snow out here. When will it stop? When will it end? Like, it's still snowing. That car is like...
We have feelings too, Joe.
Let's just say there's not...
Yes. Really.
There's not, a light dusting on it like before. Like earlier today. It's definitely piling up. I'm just so sick and tired of the snow. Oh, you're so cute.
Because we're slaves.
But my battery's blinking. I don't know how long it'll last me, so I just want to say I'm going to bed now. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. You can see us every day. And these guys. And keep staying positive. Keep moving your body. Tomorrow's my rest day. I'm so excited about that, sort of. I'm still going to do a tiny workout, but that's fine. It won't be as much as Insanity is. So I'm excited. And I get to sleep in tomorrow. And maybe play in the snow? Who knows? Definitely got to do dishes, though. That's the #1 thing we got to do tomorrow, too. But hopefully play in the snow. While we're getting snow, we gotta make the best of it, I guess. Gosh, why are you staring at me, you creep? I love you. You're such a creeper, Ted. I keep losing my spot. Stop distracting me. The little demon kitty. Oh, you're so cute. God, it's blinking for a while. Keep staying positive. Keep moving your body. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. You guys. You're lucky, you're adorable. Isn't he sweet though? He's so pretty. This one looks really pretty. Aww. 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 Good job, Mikey.